Good morning, everyone. So, I welcome you all in today's live class. So, all those who are present, let's take some names. Sugandha Mishra, Vanshika, Pratham Suri, Simrandeep Kaur, Khushpreet Kaur, Parul, Arpita Singh, Khushdeep Kaur, Sukhdeep Kaur and Shashank Mishra, Manpreet Singh, Vardhan, Nandita Vasudeva, Ikrit, Kavya Tehran, he's writing something. Okay, Kavya ji, attendance done. Satanjan Jyot. So you all are welcome in today's class. I hope board is visible to you. Am I also audible? Okay. So let's start the topic, that is arithmetic progression. Right? We have learned yesterday that the nth term of an AP, that is nth term of an AP, nth term of an AP, that is AN is equal to first term, that is A, plus n minus 1 into D. Right? This is the formula for the nth term of an AP, and this is the only formula for whole exercise 5.2. Okay, what is this? Nth term of an AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? So here we have some more students. Right? Thank you, Preet, for your this feedback. Today, welcome Sumit also. Sumit from 10F. Welcome in my class, Sumit. So, yesterday I talked to your grandfather also. So, thanks. So, Parul, good morning, bache. Arushi Birla, good morning. Kamakshi, good morning. Anmol, you all are welcome in today's class. So, what we have learned, nth term of an AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1. If I am recapitulating again how I have discussed the first term of an AP, that is a, second term of the AP, when we add a fixed number, fixed, that is called the common difference. Third term that we have discussed is always one more D, that is 2D. One more D we are getting in subsequent terms. So what is AP? AP is a list of numbers in which every succeeding number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding one, and this fixed number is called the common difference, except the first term. First term is an A only. So here it is A plus 3D, same A5, A6, so on. So we have one particular pattern that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1. So n is 5, so it is 4D. Right? So we will use it in so many ways. So we have Harshvardhan Singh, good morning, bache. And thanks, Harshvardhan Singh, Abhay Singh from 10A, good morning. Okay, everything is okay now. Let's start. I have discussed yesterday example number 3. Now, example number 4, which term of AP, that is minus 81, and also is any term 0, give reason of your answer. Right? Let's solve some examples. Then we will switch over to exercise 5.2. Example 4 at page Example 4 at page number 102. So what is the example? 180 is given. So here AP is given means this is in arithmetic progression. What is the first term? That is 21. 21 is the first term. And 18, 15, so on. 18. Then next term, third term is 15. So on. Now we have to check whether in this AP minus 81 is a term of this AP. We have to check here, is minus 81 the term of AP? So here what is given? A is equal to 21. What is B? B is always A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? 18 minus of 21. So the value of B, that is minus of 3. What is D here? A is 21 and the D is minus of 3. Right? But we are interested, it is question in two parts. One is we have to check whether is minus 81 is the term of this AP or not. Right? Question is minus 81 the term of this AP? So we know the formula. We know that AN is equal to first term plus n minus 1 into d. So what is AN? Let's check it. Minus 81 is equal to 21 plus n minus 1 and d is minus of 3. So when we open the bracket, 21 minus of 3n plus 3. So it becomes 24, right? Minus 3 this side if I am interchanging it, right? What I am doing? I am taking 3n positive this side. This is 24 plus 81. That is 105. So what is n? This implies that n is 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. So value of n is, what does it mean? It means that the 35th term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term will be like 12, then 9, 6, 3, even 0 is also coming. But we will check, we will not do in this way. If you are doing this way, you will get 0 marks of the question. We have to apply the formula always. Keep this thing in your mind. So here, this is the first part. Yes, minus 81 is the term of this AP. Why it is a term of this AP? Because n is coming 35. So 35th term of this AP. If you want to get it confirmed, let me check that A35 can be written as A plus 34D. What is it? A plus 34D. So if we can put the value of A is 21 and D is what? Minus of 3. So when we go ahead, so yesterday also I have discussed with you 12 and 102. When you subtract, that is minus of 81. So this is the confirmation that yes, minus 81 is the term of this AP. Now whether 0 is the term of this AP, so we will not count here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 6 is coming, then 3 is coming, then 0, 8 term is coming 0. No, we have to check same. How? That 0 is the term, that is A is 21 plus n minus 1 into d is minus of 3. So here we have 21 minus of 3n plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies that 3n is equal to 24 and n is equal to 24 upon 3, that is 8. Right? So what is the value of n? N is the 8th term of this AP will be 0. We can check 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3 and 0. 6, 3, 0. So 0 is coming at 8th position. So we have the formula that is an, and we have an is equal to a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 into d. So I hope this example which we have discussed yesterday also is clear to you. Now very important example and very simple example. With example number 5. Most of the questions are of this kind. Here I am reading the statement for you. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Find the AP. Now we have given only two terms and we have to find the AP. This question is very simple. We can write like A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D and A7 is equal to A plus 16. Right? So let's solve. Write the example number 5. Same page. So here, page number 102, example number 5. You can write down the statement here. What is the statement? A3. A3 is given 5. The third term of AP is given 5 and the seventh term of an AP is given 9. We have to find the complete AP. And it is very simple one. Now you are in the position to write what is A3. So this implies that we have A plus 2D. Even we can start with this solution from A plus 2D is 5 because this is the third term of AP. Now this is question number 1. And second we have A plus 6D. Seventh term is A plus 16. So is equal to 9. This is the second equation. Now here, if we check the variables, we have two variables, one is A and B. A and B. We have two equations, means we have the pair. We have a pair of linear equations in two variables, which is a complete chapter we have studied in this grade 10, chapter 3. So here, eliminate always when we are applying this concept here in AP, the first term that is A and A we can eliminate easily. So subtracting 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, subtracting 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, what we get? That is minus, and here is minus. So A and A get cancelled, we have minus of 4D is equal to minus of 4. Again minus will get cancelled. D is 1. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. The value of D is equal to 1. Now when we got the value of D, we can find the value of A also. Right? In any equation we can put the value of D. Right? That is value is 3. D is equal to 1 is 3. Put 3 in 1. We get A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. So what is the value of A? Therefore, the value of A is, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. Right? Therefore, now we have the first term also and the common difference also. We have the common difference and the first term. Therefore, the AP's arithmetic progression is, what is it? It starts from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 1, 9, 10, so on. This is the AP, in which the third term, this is the third term of AP, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th term of the AP. This is our answer. One is the 7th term and one is the third term of AP. So our APs starts from 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 6 7 8 9 10 so on. So I hope this question is very clear. So many questions are based on this. When we have given any relation or at least two terms of AP, we can very easily find the AP. So I hope you are clear. When two terms of AP are given, we can easily find the. Now come to the very, this is the also important question. Check whether 301 is the term of the list of numbers or not. Right? So Kamakshi, okay, thank you. Kavya Tehran, sir, in A35. Sir, 35 is the position, okay, yes. Sorry, I have checked it late. I hope you are clear with it. Example number 6. Example number 6 and page number. Now we have example number 6. We have to check that what will be okay. Example 7, Jaspreet, good morning. Jaspreet is saying example number 7. Before example number 7, let's discuss example number 6. Thank you, Jaspreet from MA, right? She wants to explain example number 7. So, example number 6 says, check whether, the statement is, check whether 301, check whether 301 is the term of the AP, term of the AP. What is the AP? AP is 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. 5, first term is 5, 11, there is a common difference is 6 now. 17, 23, then it will be 29, 35 and so on. We want to check whether 301 is the term of this AP or not. Now, what is A? Solution is, in this AP, A is 5. What is B? B is 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. A we have and common difference we have given both. Now to check whether 301 is a term of AP, we have the formula that what is AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is, let's check if AN 301, then what is A? A is 5 plus N minus 1, which is D here is 6. So here we have 5 plus 6 N minus 6. So when we solve, we have 6 N minus 1 and here we can use the imply sign. This implies that 301. So here we have 6n is equal to 301 plus 1. So what we have? We have the value of n. The value of n here, this implies that the value of n is equal to 302 upon 6. But when we divide, it will be now 151 upon 3. So here, this is now 7, this total 7, it is not in the table of. So n is equal to 1. So it is not a whole number. It is not a whole number, it is not a counting number like this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is a fraction. Because n is not a whole number, n is not a whole number, right? Because in AP in arithmetic progression, so n should be a whole number. In fact, it cannot be 0 also, but n is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is having particular value, it cannot be the fraction. This is in the fraction. So here we will write, because n is not a whole number, therefore 301 is not the term of this AP. 301 is not the term of this AP. Term of this AP. So this is all about the example. बेटा इस AP में कहीं भी हमारे पास in future in subsequent terms 301 will not come. It will not come, or we can say 301 is not the term of this AP. इस AP की term नहीं होगी, right? Sir, please, okay. Now come to the seventh. Kavya Devrani is saying, sir, doubt. Kavya, what doubt? N is a natural number, but when we are talking about the list of numbers, so one more the doubt on this n, let me make it clear. When we are talking about any AP is the list of numbers, and minimum n should be 2. Then we will discuss why, because a is 5, and if we are not able to discuss what is b, right? How we came to know b? B is at least a2 minus a1. If we have a AP, that even we can discuss this like this is a AP, so we can write the next terms of AP. I hope now it is clear, because in AP we need first the first term and the common difference. So common difference we need the second term also. If it is given, okay, the AP is starting from 5, next term is 11, then we can find minimum. What is example number 5? Now focus, just rewind the lesson. 10 minutes back I have discussed example number 5. Example number 5, minimum 2 terms. If we know, we can find the whole AP. If we get the 2 AP and their positions, okay, at what position, like what is the value of n for them, we can find the whole AP. So I hope, Mr. Kavya, you are clear with your doubt. Now comes to example number 7, right? Example number 7 is about how many 2 digits numbers are divisible by 3. How many 2 digits numbers are divisible by 3. So question can be, how many numbers are divisible by 4? How many numbers are divisible by 5, 7, 11, whatever? And question can be, how many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 3? Or how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7 or 11? So question is a beautiful question, and most of the time it can be in the exam also. So we know 2-digit number starts from your 10 to 999. 3-digit numbers 100 to 999, so on. 999, we are talking about 4-digit numbers. In this question, we have 2-digit number. So 2-digit numbers, they start from 10, 11, so on to 99. But what is the AP we want? We want the number which are divisible by 3, or the numbers which comes on the table of 3, or in simple words, the multiple of 3. The multiple of 3 are only divisible by 3 completely, okay? Right? So here the numbers are, check, 10 is not divisible, 11 is, first number is 12, then 15, 18, so on. And yes, the last number is 99. then 96 before, 93, 90, so on. So last number is 99. Now we will not count. It will count. Examiner will give you a big zero. Okay? Examiner will give you a big zero. Okay? So here we have to apply the formula here. These all are numbers which starting from 12 to 99, these all numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 3. So here, what is, this is a AP in which first term is 12 and the common difference that is 3. 15 minus 12, 18 minus 15, 21 minus 18, the common difference is 3. So what is the AN formula is, we know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here that is 99. AN is what? 99. A is 12 and N we will came to know by solving the equation, that is 12 plus 3n minus 3. So here this implies that 99. Next we have this 99. This implies that 99 is equal to, that is 9 plus 3n, or we can write here that this is your 3n, 99 minus 9, that is 90. So what is n? N is 3. Sorry, n is 90 minus 3, that is 30. So how many numbers are there? Therefore, we have 30 numbers, 30 two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Right? There are 30 numbers which are divisible by, right? Which are divisible by your number 3. So this is all about the question. I have interpreted, I have discussed so many questions based on whether 2 digits, 3 digits, okay, whether divisible by 3, divisible by 4, 5 or any number, right? And I hope you are clear that this is an important one, right? So here is all about application of the nth term of any AP. Okay, so we can proceed further now. Sir, here Kavya Teran is sir, here n is for nth term. Let me discuss here. 30 is the number of double digits numbers. This is the, yes, very right. Sugandha, you are right. Vanshika saying all clear. Manpreet, all clear. You are very right. If we start counting, this number is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, so on. 99 will come the 30th number. A30 will be, or if again for your convenience, let me discuss that how is it. The first term, that is 12, A2 is equal to 15, A3 is equal to 18, A4 is equal to what? A4 is equal to 21. If I have to find what is A21, A plus 20D. So many questions I am doing. A is 12, D is 3. So we have 12 plus, that is 16. So here we have 72. The number 72 will come at 21 position. N is 21. This is N is 21 and A21 is 72. Now in the end, let me again write here the A30 is equal to 99, and what is N here? N is 30. If I have to find what is the 15th term of this AP, A15. A15 is equal to A plus 14D. So A is here 12, D is again, that is in this case we have A is 3, right? So here 12 plus, that is 42. So we have 4, 54 is the 15th term. You can count out like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 27, 30, 33, so on. But we will not count, we will apply the formula. So I hope Sugandha Mishra, which you are clear. What is 99? That is A30. A30 is equal to 99, and what is N? N is 38. Number actually. So this is the only difference, right? Thank you very much. Kavya is saying, sir, all clear, and Satanjan Jyot is saying, sir, all crystal clear. Crystals is using the word crystals clear. Thank you, Satanjan. Satanjan, I think today very active. Okay, from beginning he is giving the response. So thank you, Satanjan. So next example number 8 is now important one, and I will explain it in two different ways. Now let's discuss first with what is explained in the book. Now in the book, example number 8 they have discussed in a very lengthy way, but that is also important one. Let me discuss first the book way, then I will discuss the another easy way, and then I will discuss one formula which you can remember. Okay? Question is, from the last we have to find the terms. Let me write the statement. Find the 11th term from the last term. Find the 11th term. 11th term from the last term, right? Find the 11th term from the last term. In bracket, they are saying towards the first term. What they are saying? Towards the first term, right? Of the AP. What is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression starts from 10, 7, 4, 10, then 7, 4, so on, minus of 62. First, what is the question? Beta, from the last term is minus of 62. If we start from minus 62 towards the back side, okay, if we consider the first term, then second term, third term, in the reverse direction, what will be the 11th term, right? So I am discussing first with the book part, what they have explained in the book. So it is very important to understand this point, and then come to the easy and the equivalent version. The easy concept and what formula I will discuss, you can note down later that formula also. Here we want to first find what is the value of an. An is confirmed. We want to find what the value of n, and then first we want to find n, and then from n we will subtract 11 and then add 1. So you will be confused why add 1. Those students who have already gone through the example, this is very important concept. So let me discuss here first. First we want to find the value of n. So here in this AP it is given AP. First term is equal to 10. Common difference D, solution here. A is 10. Common difference 7 minus 10, that is minus of 3. What is the common difference? Minus of 3. Now directly I am using the formula, or you can write also if you want, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I am interested at which position this minus 62 is coming. So here, please, this is according to me the whole exercise 5.2 you will find, or you will feel this is the most difficult one. But when we will go for this equivalent version, easy version, you will find very easy. Be attentive everyone, and maximum students you can provide me the feedback that you understood it or not. Otherwise, I will give one more example on it. So here minus of 62 is equal to, beta A is first term is 10 and we want to find, and the common difference is minus 3. So when we multiply 10, we have, this implies that minus 62 is equal to 10 plus, it will be minus 52 here, but let's complete first. Minus of 3n plus 3. Minus minus become plus minus. So here when we change, we can write in this way, that is 3n is equal to 13 plus 62. Okay, just rearranging, that is 75. So n, the value of n is equal to 75 upon 3, that is 25. So in another way, we can say that in this AP, the 25th term of this AP is 62. No need to write. If I have to check that A25 can be written as A plus 24D. D is minus 3 here. So A 10 plus, it is 12, and here we have 72. So this is minus of 62. What is the A25? It is just a confirmation. No need to write this one, just for you only. I have just confirmed, otherwise there is no need to write this one here. I have just confirmed that in this AP, 25th term is minus 62. But we are interested here to find the n, so we have find the value of n as 25, right? So here this is just for you people, so I am erasing it. Okay, so we came to know what is the value of n here. If an is 60 minus 62, the value of n is 25. Means 25th term of this AP is minus 62. Now from the backward direction, what we want? We want from the backward direction, right? What will be the 11th term? So what do you all will think? We will subtract 25 minus 11. Yes or no? Yes. And here is 14. So you will feel that okay, A14 is but that is a wrong. I will let you know how it is wrong. 25 minus 11 is 14. But 14 we have to add 1. This is the mystery. This our answer is 15th term of this AP. In this AP 1, 2, 3, 4. 15th term will be the 11th term from the last, not the 14th term. This is very, very important thing. Why it happens? Because we are changing here, when we are reversing it will happen. I will give one example also. This is not our answer. We can check, you can calculate. A14 will not find. We will find A15, which is equal to A plus 14B. So answer is A is 10 here plus 14B. B is minus 3. So answer is 10 minus of 42 is equal to minus 32. So what is the 11th term from the last? That is A15. This is the answer. Let me discuss why we are not going for A14, why we are going for A15. This is the important question. What is the important question here? Why I am not taking A14? Why I am not taking A14? Why I am going with plus 1? So please, this is the way they have explained. One more way, if we are reversing the AP. So I hope it is up to and clear. Let me discuss the different version. If we are reversing the AP, so AP is minus 62. So common, if I am writing it first, the next previous term will be minus 59. So on, right? And here we have the last term, that is 10. Now here it's very simple. Common difference is changed. If A is minus 62. What is D? D is minus of 59 minus of minus 62 is equal to minus 59 plus 62 is equal to 3. So D is changed now. When we reverse the AP, the common difference will change. The terms will remain same. We are just changing the order. Right? When we are reversing the AP, the common difference will change. Earlier it was minus 3, now it is 2. So what is A11? 11th term, that is A plus 10D. So A is here minus 62 and D is, that is 3 here. So we have minus of 62 plus 30 is equal to minus of 32. What is it? A11, that is the one another way. So before going for the one formula for the same question even if you are solving it in this way, no need to write. This is the right one. This is the right one here. This one is the sufficient to, this question is most of time 3 marks question. This much is sufficient, right? Reverse the AP, reverse the AP, right? Reverse the AP, we have 60 minus 62, minus 59, minus 56, minus 53, so on, minus 33, right? So here A is now 62, D is now positive 3. What is the 11th term from the last? Before coming to formula, let's check one example here. If I am having, suppose 20 numbers, or let one AP starts from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now how many terms we have? We have 20 terms of this AP, right? Now first term is 1, common difference is also 1. Now if question is what will be the 11th term from the last? 11th term from the last. If we are saying 20 total terms minus 11, so 9th term, it should be your answer. Yes or no? Yes, most of you even, we all will think this, but this will not be 11th term. 10, the next term plus 1 will be the 11th term. How? Start counting. Please, this is first term, second term, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and this is the 11th term. This is the very clear explanation for this question. Is we have AP starting from 1 to 20 total terms. We have 20 terms, and we have to find the 11th term from the last. 11th term from the last, that is 20 minus 7 is 9 plus 1, that is 10th term. So 10th term are that is the 11th term from last. So here in this, when we have subtracted 25 minus 11, that is 14. So that is not the required, plus 1. Next one 15, that is minus of 32 is the. This is little 51. If you have still problem next class also I will explain. But we have now, we will go for the revision of the September examination. In September examination we have your all 12 chapters which we have completed. AP is not coming in that. AP, probability and statistics, they are not coming. Now, one formula for the same question. One formula for same question, please note it down. If we, AP is same, AP is A is 10, B is 3, right? Now last term of this AP, that is minus 62. Now we want, it is what? N, and last term, nth term. You can recollect, no problem. Now the nth term from the last, nth term, we can write this nth term from the last. the last term. This is the formula you can note down. That is last term. So here we have, this is B, this is first term, right? And this is the last term. L stands for the last term. So what is the formula here? Formula is the nth term from the last is equal to last term plus n minus 1 d, we will take negative minus d. Please note down this is minus d. This is the formula here. And how do we find the L11? This is the formula, please note it down. Direct, we can write L11 from the last term. 11th term will be the last term plus n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1, that is 10. D is minus of 3. D is positive here, D we are writing negative. So we have minus of 62, right? So here the value of D, when we are taking negative, so minus B, sorry, in this case it is minus B, so minus will, please write in this way, that minus of minus 3, so here that is plus 30, so we have minus of 32. D we have to take the same AP, that is D is equal to minus of 3, so here what is the 11th term? This is the answer here, just in 3 steps. Or in another way, just reversing the digits, reversing the AP, the nth term from the last term is now first term plus n minus 1, we are making the common difference that negative. Please note down, important question, important thing, last term, L is the last term, then nth term from the last is L plus n minus 1 into minus of D. So this is all about example number 8. I have explained in 3 ways. Okay. So whatever you feel, just provide me feedback. Alternate method they are also discussed, and then you can complete as a homework. Example 9, example 10. I have a few minutes. Yesterday I will discuss example. So question number 3, question number 4. To have a look at question number 3 of and question number 4. Question number 3 of 5.1. As a homework, if you have some doubts, you can ask. Here, question number 3 was a simple one. Question number 4, which of the following are AP? So if you have some doubts, so you can send me your doubts if you have any apprehension in any part. Vanshika, thank you, all clear. Arpita, all clear, thank you, bache. Sugandha is saying now all clear, sir. As 20 is the last term, we have to include it as well. Yes. Why? Last term will become the first term. If here minus 62 is the last term, when we are reversing the AP, minus 62 will become the first term. So we have to add. Right? So thank you, Sugandha. Then Kavya is saying, sir, D is, so D here is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. But here, when we are changing it, that the formula is last term is minus 62, that is minus 62 plus n minus 1 into minus of D. Minus of D. This is here minus of D. D is already minus 3. D is minus we get plus. Minus we get plus. Ikri, thank you, bache. It's all clear. So this is all about today's class. You all are free to send your doubts. We have after 10 days. Now the September examination will start. I want my all students, especially you people, because you are very regular. Whatever doubts you have from different chapters, and I will go for very systematic revision. Next class, which will be on Monday, we will go for revision. So you can just send me your doubts, whatever doubts you have from different chapters, all 12 chapters, you can send your doubts. Just write down, okay, exercise, this exercise question, or in topic wise, chapter wise, whatever you want, or some other reference books, right? So we will have a complete revision, a very structured revision, right? And I want to take maximum doubts, maximum questions from you all, everyone. So with this, thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and work hard.